Welcome to Product Filter for WooCommerce video guide. This video covers how to use mobile preset in the product filter. To start this tutorial, let's first make a new filter preset that we are going to use on mobile. Click the new button and I will name my preset test. I will create one filter for testing purposes, then go to the Style tab and set the design to be fixed sidebar left with overlay and save it. Now, let's go back to the default preset. Click the Responsive button so all the settings appear. Under Responsive Behavior, we have a drop-down list with all our options. To do nothing means that the preset you are currently using will be used and all the options and styles will be the same on desktop and on mobile. The show on-screen resolution, smaller and larger options will be explained in depth in a separate future video guide. For now, let's select the option to switch with filter preset. Immediately after selecting, you will see a new option appearing, the preset option. There you will choose a preset for the filter on mobile. I will choose the test preset. We also have the option to set the specific resolution that will activate the changing of the filter presets. I will leave it to be at 768. Hit save and let's go to the shop page to see the changes. You will see one preset for the desktop, and when we resize for mobile devices you will see the different filter preset be shown when we reach our trigger resolution. Watch more product filter for WooCommerce videos to learn more. Thank you.